All right, so I think what works best for submitting these Gizmos labs is to download it as a PDF and then upload the PDF. So what you want to do is you want to go to your Gizmos lab, and then over here where it says File, you're going to scroll down to where it says Download, and then you're going to select PDF. And so the PDF will actually, it keeps all the information in there. For some reason, the Google Documents are losing some of the information. So, and I think it has to do with the extension of the files. So then when you go into Canvas, and my screen will look a little different than yours because I don't have a Chromebook, I actually have a computer, but you go into Start Assignment, and then it'll give you the option to upload. And so when you do that, you can just literally upload the file. And like I said, it'll look a little different for you, but you take that PDF file, and it usually has like the Adobe document or whatever, and then you select that, and then you want to read this right here. It should say .pdf, and if it says that, then you click submit.
Oh my gosh,
And then it'll say submitted, and then I can see everything. So that's the quick turnaround. Okay?